Yo, adjective agreement, fam, safe. It's all blessed, trust me, it's easy once you know the game. No cap, no stress, just follow the wave. Man's here to teach you and we're moving like we're paid, let's go. Adjective agreement, bruv, it's like match the noun, no cap, we keep it tight. Masculine, feminine, singular or more, make them agree, your Spanish will soar. Yo, if the noun's masculine like niño, yeah, you know it's bueno, fam. That's how we do it clear, but switch it up. If it's feminine, niño, so fine, you gotta change it, bueno. Now it's all aligned. Adjective agreement, bro, it's like match the noun, no cap, we keep it tight. Masculine, feminine, singular or more, make them agree, your Spanish will soar. Singular ting, amigo, alto, no mess. Same form stays, no stress, we keep it blessed. Now it's plural, amigos, altos, let's flip. Add that is to both, now we're on the trip. Adjective agreement, bro, it's like match the noun, no cap, we keep it tight. Masculine, feminine, singular or more, make them agree, your Spanish will soar. When it's plural and the adj ends in E, just add is, fam, keep it clean. You'll see amigos grandis or amigas grandis too. No cap, it's simple and we keep it true. Adjective agreement, bro, it's like match the noun, no cap, we keep it tight. Masculine, feminine, singular or more, make them agree, your Spanish will soar. Man them, listen, this is how we roll. Masculine, oh fam, that's how you know. Feminine, A, change it up, keep it smooth. Plural, us or as, now you're in the groove. If it ends in E, no cap, this is the fix. Spanish on point, we teaching them tricks. Adjective agreement, bro, it's like match the noun, no cap, we keep it tight. Masculine, feminine, singular or more, make them agree, your Spanish will soar.